to the most comprehensive OnlyFans tutorial that is currently on the web. Okay, this is episode 1. In this episode, I will be telling you the course overview, talking to you about referrals. So this is designed for people who are already started and they need a little help to get better because it's not going as they expected. And for people who haven't started yet. And if you haven't started yet, do not sign up yet. Listen to what I have to say about referrals and then sign up. As you can see, I don't have any referral link on any of my videos, and I'll explain why later on in the video. Firstly, the course overview. If you already have OnlyFans, I'm not going to sit here and tell you why yours isn't working out as you expected. What I am going to tell you is what I think you should be doing. Okay, so episode 2 is going to be about niche. I believe that you need to find your niche, and in episode 2 I provide a free resource called a fetish builder, which you can help build your the kinks that you're into, or the kinks that you provide on your platform, as well as understanding your appearance and some of the toys and stuff you can use. Episode 3, accounts. So I go through every account you could possibly need in order to have a successful brand presence for OnlyFans. So it's going to be wide spanning from social media to your more technical stuff for creating band. Episode 4 is going to be very, very important, security. So security and anonymity, how to keep safe online, how to stop people finding your location, how to ensure that you don't get scammed in terms of payments. Episode 5 is market research. Right, so you'll be trying to understand and find people in your niche with your appearance, users on the OnlyFans platform, Twitter and Insta hashtags, and finally in Reddit groups. Number 6 and 7 is content. Right, I had to split it up into 2 parts. It's basically talking about the kind of content that you need to take, the quality of it, as well as the varying intensity scale, the rating scale of content, which goes from PG to XXX rated, that you need for your brand presence. You wouldn't post the same thing on OnlyFans that you post on Insta, so you need to come up with a scale in which to organize it. And I also talk about content batching, taking your content on one day. Number 8 is all about scheduling. So you take everything that we took in content and we take our market research and we use it to schedule our posts together so that during the week or during the fortnight we are free to do other things to make more money, right? The system, the machine runs itself. That's the point, that's the idea. Episode 9 is pricing. So I will go through what kind of services people offer on OnlyFans. I'll provide some guidelines for pricing. Episode 10, a very important one, will be about promotions. This will go from your basic social media and dating site promotion to the more important paid promotion, the promotion groups on Twitter, on Telegram. I will be posting other videos because I definitely have missed stuff. So just to fill in the gaps, I'll continuously post other videos. But this is the basic outline of what you need. Now, why am I not posting my referral link? Every video you see on YouTube about OnlyFans, you'll see the person posting the referral link. If you refer someone to OnlyFans, you get 5% of their earnings out of the OnlyFans cut. Right? Now, when you haven't signed up, you can't delete your account and try to sign up again. It doesn't work. So if you've not signed up to OnlyFans, and you think about signing up, listen up now. Search far and wide for the right person to do your referral link, because you want someone in your niche, you want someone that looks like you. That person, nearly every person, provides you with coaching, they provide you with free promo on their page, because the more you earn, the more they earn. Okay, they earn directly off your earnings. So the reason I'm not posting my link is I'm much more focused on creating really strong pages and working with the creators directly. I know that 5% could be going to someone else, another creator, which means they both get paid, and that creator is going to go to the ends of the earth to help them. That's why I don't experiment my referral link. So stay tuned, go through all the episodes. It's think it's probably going to be about 2 hours long in total. When you think about it in total, split up over 2 days.